Video, I'm going to show you how to do automation on Zapier. Okay, automation is actually like it's just like a technique which is used to operate something automatically. Yeah, one of the benefits of automation is that it saves time. You know, it saves time. Then other benefits like it eliminates human error. It also reduces stress. Consider an alarm which is actually embedded on your phone. Now, sometimes what you do, you just set an alarm. You say, okay, when it's so day, do this. When it's so day, ring an alarm. Okay, so when you talk about automation, like we did automation on Trello, and automation on Trello, automation is actually one of the very very crucial parts of Trello. And very interesting. So you can set things that you want to be done. And set rules. So like the elements which we have are that's trigger and action. Trigger, when something happens, action, do this. For example, if you use the phone alarm, you say okay, when it is 21st of December at 2 a.m., that is the trigger. Then the action is ring an alarm. That's the action. Ring an alarm. Okay, so trigger and action. So these are the basic elements of automation: the trigger and the alarm. The alarm, the trigger and the action. All right. So the trigger is when something happens, then the action is do this. I hope you get that. So try to integrate an app or app to the other. Yeah, you can see here I made an integration of my what do you call my Gmail into my Zap. Sorry, yeah, to my Zapier. Yeah, so that's why. So now on my Zap now, if any mail comes in to my Gmail, I get it on my Zap because I made this integration. Okay, Gmail into my Zap. Okay, so I can also decide to actually do a kind of Zap two apps. That is like, okay, for example, let's say I want to zap. Let's say. So how do you zap? How do you zap? How you go ahead to create the zap? Okay. So once you click on create zap, the next thing you have is trigger and action. Remember, I told you trigger when something happens. Action, do this. All right. So we'll go ahead and set our trigger. Okay. So let's say we want to set let's say let us set let's say Google Contacts to Slack. Okay, let's try that. Google Contacts. Okay, so Google Contacts. Okay, choose events. You choose an event. Okay, so we have new contact. So when new contact is created, give me that is that's the trigger is when something happens. So do you want when new contact is created? Is it when a new group that is triggers when a group is created? Is it when new or when you have a new or you update a contact? But let's say when new contact is created. Yeah, so allow. So it said this will allow Zapier to see edit download. So you just say permanently, then it's allow. Continue. Okay, so here we are. So it's still on. So network is back. So there we say continue. We continue. Okay, so we are done with the trigger. Now we are now in actions. Okay, so change action. Okay, we want to integrate it to Slack. So go ahead, click on Slack. Okay, do we use Slack or we use okay, let's use Slack. Slack. Okay, go ahead, Slack. Okay. Okay, and events. So we go ahead. So a reminder. So now you can see options. You can see the options we have. Create channel, invite user to channel, send channel message. So you say post a new message to specific channel you choose. Can also schedule a message for later. So okay, let's say send specific a message. Okay, we'll continue. Okay. So here is a choose an account. Okay, let's use this one. First one. Okay. Continue. Okay, pick a channel. Okay, let me take random. Take random, okay. So you have to take notes where the places that are very important to you are those that are required. Okay, let's say okay, the message you want to receive. Okay, let's say the message created. So it will be from email. So we choose. You see, this drop down will come once we get here. So let's say okay, you have a new contact created. You see this drop down. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, job title, last name, middle name. So what do we want to see? First name. Want to see the group. Want to see the note. Okay, let's say show me the um see there's a name. Okay, let's say first name. Show me first name. Okay, show me the first name. So show me the first name. Okay, then this one's not required. Which one again is required? I'll look for anyone that's required again. Okay, okay. Let's see which one else is required. I don't think it. Okay, random. Yeah, random is already entered. Random channel required. And which one again is required? No one. So if no other one is required, then I can continue. I'll continue. Then I continue. Okay, so test step. Sending a channel message is send channel message was sent to Slack 2 seconds ago. Okay. Okay, so then we go ahead, publish. We publish. We publish. Okay. So it said Zap published. Your Zap is on and using version this. So it's published now. Okay. So that means we are actually in. We are actually in now. So all is set. All is set. Okay. Send any message. Okay. So now let me go to Slack. Let's see. I have just created a new contact on my Gmail. Let's see if it comes. Let's reload this and let's see what we have. We have a message here on Slack. Collins, you have a new contact created, Vanessa. You can see. I just did that now. You can see now. So under where? Under random. So any new contact that comes into my Gmail, I will have it on my what now? On my what do you call it? On my Slack. Okay, so I hope this video was actually helpful. So this automation would actually be one of the very interesting part of Zapier. So I hope it has been helpful. I hope it helps you in your exploration of Zapier. All right, thank you.